Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix PS5 crashing from like rest mode or it's just freezing. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to head over to settings. From settings you want to go down to system, and then from system you want to go down to power saving. So a temporary fix, oh by the way, click on features available in rest mode. So a temporary fix is that you can simply just disable rest mode, and this is a temporary fix if rest mode is causing you issues. But if you don't want to do that, the second method you guys can try doing is simply just update your system software and go to system again, and then from here system software, and then click on let me see, system feature updates, and then just update the system software. I'm pretty sure there's a just wait for it to load, but basically if you just click on that, it's gonna let you update. Oh, right here, my bad, system software updated settings, and from here you can just update system software. Like you see, mine has an update available. If it says that, go ahead and just download that. And and then the third method you guys can do is simply just turn your console off. So you can do that by going to power, turn it off, and basically once the PlayStation has been completely turned off and those blue lights are off, what you want to do is you want to unplug all of the wires out of the PlayStation 5 and wait like 30 seconds to a minute, and then replug them back in. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.